Hey, what's up everybody? Toyota Highlander. I'm replacing the pad on this e-brake pedal. It's emergency brake. So they kind of wear out over time and start to fall off all the time. There's two ways you can go about it really. You could get some like industrial glue and stick it on here and then put this on and then it should stay. But the best thing to do is just get a new one. Here's the part number. Links in description. And it comes like this. It'll fit on there like a glove and fit real tight. Now this little square part right here, this actually goes into the side part of the pedal. A lot of people mess up because they don't get that square part in that little opening on the side. And this is how you put it on. You just start from the left and then you just kind of dip it in and then just push this guy over like that. And then you kind of have to massage that square part into that hole and just kind of make sure it's really in there. And then you should be good. Here's what it kind of looks like. That's what I'm talking about. That square part needs to go into the side of the pedal arm. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. Links in the description, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap, they don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up, and these are available on Amazon as well. But if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar. It's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic Bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.
You're pretty good.